The story starts here, this beautiful part of Norfolk Island, Kingston, where the old colony is. What a lovely place to fly the drone. Yep, and we flew the drone from here. Guess what happened? We ended up in these huge pine trees, 50 metres tall.
Continuing saga. Kim Hewitt and his attempts to fly a drone on Norfolk Island. We're now walking. Safety notification. There are one authorised zone. So click yes. Okay. Fine. Don't know what he's doing. Something.
This is where it started to all go wrong. So it's time to press the home button and bring it back. Bang, bang, we've hit a tree. So for the rest of the day we're wandering around the beach. We're feeling really depressed. Got invited out to dinner on sunset, it's gorgeous sunset. And we met these people, we sat down and had dinner and they said, we got a friend and he climbs trees. The next morning I get a phone call. Hey man, it sounds like you need some help. Do you want me to climb a tree for you? And with a hangover on the 1st of January, in walks Julien. This is fascinating. $600 for the rope. Yeah. I'm following this. I'm following the story. Following the story.
Like toilet paper, like. You know, interestingly enough, when I first started climbing, that's what I did.
This is a lovely man I met. I'm now carting him in the back of the car up to the hospital.
Yeah. Free flight to Australia, man.
Free flight to Australia.
Might as well. Come on. And that's the same thing, I could hook it up to this, but I think it's tied up there. Bad news, so make it nice and slick.
Learning all the things we can. My heart is beating faster than the world will keep inside. And yeah, you story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you, I don't mind when I'm around you. Ooh, I'm just glad I found you.
Sorry.
As we sit here on a blanket in the park, right our fears. I never heard such words come out so clear. Music found a way to my ear.
Did you leave something out for Santa the night before?
My heart is beating faster than the world I keep inside. And yeah, you make me nervous. That's the story of my life. And I should be embarrassed, but with you, I don't mind when I'm around. Ooh, I'm just glad I found you.
Where's my little black?
Piece of the earth is found in your mind.
So these are the associated ones after you get past the first part.
You know, I got 5 or 6 different ways to go. This was the moment kind of thing.
Yep.
Alright.
Was it to re-tie yourself off when you get up there?
Nah, this is to. So my system climbs up with me, and I don't need to push it up.
Can't think straight.
Yeah, there's like fucking $5,000 worth of gear in there.
My heart
Really?
beating faster
Oh, but it's worth it. It's, you know, you got to get the good stuff, eh?
You know, it's, you don't buy the shit that's
Yeah.
like, you know, like
Yeah.
the good stuff you do with Aldi too.
And I should
You
be
don't buy the
embarrassed.
Yeah, well, Aldi or something.
I don't mind when I'm around.
Yeah.
It's like you say, you've got your own life in the hands.
Worth a bit of money.
Spin around for eternity. My heart is
That's good. You don't need to teach climbing. You can.
Do you want to come here and try to grab it as well, just so we see that we could put 2 dudes in there?
Yep.
We'll just get back a bit, Julien.
my lungs are drowning. My baby's on fire.
Down, brother.
I saw the bell. Yeah, man, that's the truth. So bring on the
This is how nice the people are
go ahead and down.
on Norfolk Island. I was there last night
No, I don't need your pity.
on the beach having dinner with some people and a lady I haven't even met. We explained to her that we lost the drone. She said, "Oh, I'll get in contact with this man." Sure enough, next morning, here he is.
My best
What'd you say? I should move out of the way. Yeah, just got to get Julien down safely. So it's broke one arm, that's all.
Oh, yeah, okay. And these blades are just fallen off,
Yeah.
which is fine.
You alright?
You okay?
Amazingly, the drone has been retrieved and it's time to take a few photos of the hero before he descends from the trees. Introducing Julien, the hero of the story. 1 week later, it's a trip down to the DJI Store to see what the damage is and to see what the financial implications are. I must add, which is amazing, the cost was negligible and Julien refused to take any money. What a wonderful man. What a wonderful recommendation for Norfolk Island.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!